Hello guys, welcome back. We're here inside the contact we have created, Alan Sugar. He have made a deal with us, and now we are gonna make a note on his profile, but we're gonna be using the snippet function here inside HubSpot. So to see the snippets we have created, if you go to conversations, underneath you find snippets. So a snippet again is a block of text that you can reuse using the hashtag function when you're writing emails or when you're writing notes inside HubSpot. So we have one snippet here created. Let's take a look. So this snippet have already been made by me. So it's just to check the recent activities. That's the internal name for the snippet. So it's gonna pull the contact first name, contact last name, and it's gonna type in has had, and the number of sales activities the contact have had in the past. And also it's checking for contact marketing emails clicked. If you like to add your own custom elements to the message, simply click personalize, and you're gonna see all the dynamic fields that you're capturing from the contacts you're inputting in the database and also the company. You can pick up other elements as well from the contracts, from the tasks, and I'll be added into your block of text. So underneath here, you're gonna have the hashtag that's gonna be used to pull this block of text. So I just have check at the moment. So let's click save. Let's go to contacts. Let's go add a note to Alan Sugar. So we open Alan Sugar here. You can add a note either clicking on the button here or at the top. If you click at the top, you're going to see the previous notes you have added in the past. As you can see, he wants to hire 100 apprentices. So on the note here, you simply press hashtag and you start typing it. As you can see, it shows up here the name. When you press, you're automatically populated. As you can see, I have made the text bold as well on the snippets tool. You can also make the text bigger in size. So if you go back to snippets, come over here, let's say that you want to increase the size of this text, click on more, size, let's put 24. It looks a bit funny, but it's gonna look great. Go back to your contacts. So let's say you want to check out someone else now. Let's say you want to check out Jess. So we open her up, go to notes. There's no notes at the moment. You can simply create a note. Let's just hashtag check. And alternatively, you can also click on snippet here and it'll let you know what the snippets you have. So if you click that, so Jess Maddox, so if he doesn't say anything, it's because he has not have any activity in the past. But if we go back here to Alan Sugar, you see the results will be a little bit different. Create a note. As you can see, here we are. We can also use this snippets tool with emails. So when you're writing an email or maybe leaving a note for one of your contacts, you can quickly use the snippets to grab the block of text you've created to get a dynamic list of information for your contact. And that is the snippets function inside HubSpot.